This lesson will show us how to filter individual securities and instruments. Finding and displaying a specific investment type on the grid can allow users to analyze and measure trade performance and profit and loss for that investment. To begin, select the Find menu. Instruments that can be filtered include stocks, options, futures, and currencies. For our example, we will filter the stocks. Now only stocks are displayed in the grid. We can now run any report based on the stock transactions. In just a few seconds, we have chosen a trading instrument and ran a summary report to analyze our data. After we are done filtering our data, it is good practice to hit the All button on our toolbar. TradeLog also allows us to find and display all trades with specific ticker descriptions in the grid. To do this, we use the Find Ticker menu item. For our example, we will filter out the Mosaic stock, so we simply type the ticker in the designated field. Click OK to find all Mosaic stock trades. All of our Mosaic trades are now displayed. Let's consider another example. Our trader has lost over $8,000 in Apple and Google options. To examine each individual trade, we need to run a detailed report just on these two securities. Again, we use the Find Ticker menu item. Since we are examining two separate option securities with different strike prices, we will need to enter our descriptions differently. To start, we will enter our first underlying stock, followed by a space and an asterisk as a wildcard. Next, we will enter a comma to separate our securities and type our next description in the same manner as the previous one. All of our Apple and Google options are now filtered in the grid, and our P&L is showing our overall loss in these two securities. We can now run a detailed report. Here are all the Apple options, followed by the Google options on the next page. For active traders and investors, there are thousands of ways to analyze your data in TradeLog. Utilizing these features discussed in this lesson will not only provide quick access to your trades, but also assist in improving portfolio management. Please continue on to the next lesson.